What? So, what happened? So, yan guys. Ang sarsyadong itlog. Luto na guys. At saka, bacon. Yung leftover ko guys na kamote. Ayan pa. Hindi pa daw sila gutom guys. So, mamaya na kami kakain. Andito kami ngayon guys sa sakyan ni Sawyer. Hinintay ko muna si Samantha at saka si Shelton dahil meron silang gymnastic ngayon. Kasi last week wala sila guys dahil may contest. Sama saan si Cora.
After I go to gymnastics, I need to get some.
That's spicy.
No, it's not.
Takis? Yeah.
The cheesy ones aren't.
Okay. Let's go. Dito na kami guys. Hintay mo na kami kasi napaaga kami. 3:27 pa lang. So, mag-check-in sila is 3:45. Oh, is that a coach?
That's my coach.
Coach daw yan is ni Shelton. Come on, here! Come on! Ito kami guys sa check-up na ni Sawyer guys. Come on! Faster! No. Look. What is that? Janitor fish?
Look. Oh my goodness. So scary.
You scared? Look. No. Kami lang guys, tatlo ang andito para sa check-up ni Sawyer. Kasi si Samantha at saka si Shelton guys, tulog pa, hindi na namin ginising. At saka malapit lang din naman dito sa bahay. Ang guys, pediatric. Tinawagan niya si Sawyer, tinawagan ng asawa ko kay si Samantha at saka si Shelton para sumama sa amin na puntang Black Bear breakfast ba. Kasi after dito pupunta kami, kukuhanin namin silang dalawa.
And then any concerns today with him?
None.
Perfect.
Can we check the red in here in his like round in his mouth? We just have to ask the doctor.
Probably just a rash. But it's not always. I think he might have eczema like Shelton does, but I don't know if they do it if it's over the age.
He is 28 pounds, 14 ounces.
Oh. So, maghihintay muna kami sa kanyang doctor guys. Tapos na siya natimbang. Yung timbang niya is 28.5 pounds. Tapos yung height niya hindi ko natanong. Tapos na kami sa pediatrician guys. I think it's mine. Grabing iyak niya talaga. Tatlong in-inject sa kanya guys. So, pauwi na muna kami kasi kukunin namin si Samantha at saka si Shelton. Are you okay? Are you okay, Sawyer? Huh?
You wanna go see Brother and Sissy? You wanna go see Brother and Sissy? Okay, don't tell the police, Mommy don't wear her seatbelt, okay?
O, nakalimutan ko.
Don't laugh.
Oh my god. Dad, with these glasses, and when you put them on...
Sawyer had 3 shots today. He was crying so
Natawa ako guys
bad.
kasi sinuot niya yung eyeglasses niya na in-order niya sa Amazon.
Where did he get it?
Tapos
In the
ang
legs.
laki
They had to give
kasi
him his
pang
shots.
adult.
Sissy, brother! Hi, Brother Sissy!
Do you want to sit?
Do y'all give your brother a hug and kiss? Yep, Sawyer got his shot.
Andito na si sila Sam at saka si
Oh my God, I went to
Shelton guys. So papunta kami ngayon ng Black Bear. Magbi-breakfast kami doon guys kasi maaga pa. Nasa mga 10:44 pa. Gusto kumuta ng ano guys, ng Cracker Barrel pero malayo kasi siya guys. So doon lang kami sa Black Bear mag-breakfast.
Did you get a shot on your leg?
See, is he pointing just like saying boo boo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it hurts.
He said boo
But
boo.
Daddy, how come that means when I get a shot, I don't hurt except for my butt?
Because you're already like a big kid.
Yeah, last time I got a shot on my butt, it hurt.
Did you so Sissy with the boo boo?
Yan guys, ang Black Bear Diner. Nakapark kami sa front. Kay hindi man busy dahil it's Wednesday. So pasok na kami sa loob guys.
I guess. Can Daddy come? Look at his ears. This is ears. Where's his nose? Right here. Where's his eye and his chin?
Ang laki ng biscuits nila guys. Ang laki. You want yum yum?
Yummy, look. Potato.
Yummy.
Potato. I got the blankets.
Coffee.
That's too much.
Postage shelter. Yeah. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ayan yung Black Bear. At nasya kami sa price ng coffee guys. Isang tasang ng coffee guys is $3.69. Tapos dalawa yung in-order namin guys. So $7.38 ang dalawang tasa ng coffee guys. Isang isang presyo na ng meal. Ng isang meal. So ang binayaran namin is $66.71. Diba? Brunch or breakfast? Is it brunch? We order or breakfast? Breakfast lang guys ha. Grabe ang mahal. Na-shock kami sa presyo ng $15 lang just for drinks. Tapos ano tawag ito, yung coffee ang na-shock kami kasi mahal talaga yung coffee guys. Isang tasa lang. Grabe. So, papunta kami ngayon guys ng school ni Sam. No, I'm going to sit in the front sa kanyang school kasi open house nila ngayon guys para kilalanin ang kanilang teacher. Kasi grade 6 na siya guys eh. Kaya kailangan namin pumunta doon. So, punta kami sa school ni Sam. Ayan na, nagagulyang niya. What happened? What happened? So, dito na kami guys sa school ni Sam. Ang dami na naka-line guys. So, kasi wala pang timing. Kailangan 4 PM pa bago pumasok sa loob ng building. So, andun sila. Andun sila, oh. Si Sam, sobrang init. Ito kami sa ilalim ng puno, guys. So, tapos na kami, guys. Nag-tour sa school ni Samantha. Hindi na ako nag-video sa loob, guys, kasi sobrang dami na ang tao. So, ngayon na nito kami, guys. Kakain kami na sa Chac-Arama. Yung Chac-Arama. For dinner kasi nagutom kami, guys. Si Sawyer ay tulog. Knockout si Sawyer kasi kanina talagang bad mood siya doon sa school. Kaya sila lang nag-tour.
I got new
nasa
glasses
ulahin.
last night and a chain. He looks crazy. No, I look good.